So this is where we're going today. I don't know, I just found this page like a few days ago. I wanted to go check it out. So yeah, shout out to this guys for plugging it. Yeah, let's go see what's happening. Okay, you can. That's a nice.
Look at me dead in my eyes, I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect, all of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect, I used to hand out CDs before they would buy.
Let's go see the wheels too.
She love me so much, it seems like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live at the high. Hey. 4S13, stepping on shit to the spot. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a statement. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. Like diamonds, they look like a rainbow. That's cause the neck was frank.
Got this Ferrari right here, dude.
Whoa, whoa. Yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect, all of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect, I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seems like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live at the high. Hey. 4S13, stepping on shit to the spot. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a statement. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds, they look like a rainbow. That's cause the necklace of Frank. Her. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Breaking and bending the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that they had a hit since times. Niggas be full of excuses after they taking their time. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes.
Here we got all the GT86s right here. These new ones, that's mad. It's a lot of them in the US. You guys like it a lot. Oh, look at this.
Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? Texting emojis, tongue out eggplant, must've went over her head. Catch him outside of the studio, make him repeat what he said. Listen, yeah, let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my dick with a bra. Snipe his ass, he got hit in the head before. Ops get undivided attention, I give them my all. How you come over the spot when you know it's your time of the day? How? Make a distance, see how fast you go from the boot to a blunt. Listen, she say she hungry, I gave her dick for lunch. Send me my whole fleet, I don't do back ends and flanks.
No, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds, they look like a rainbow. That's cause the necklace of Frank. Her. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Breaking and bending the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had a hit since his times. Niggas be full of excuses after they taking their time.
That's sexy. best car here, in my opinion, right here. Baby blue. That is mad.